Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutomania. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock any person or any friend in your Roblox. So this method works for PC, iOS and Android also. First, what you have to do, you have to open your settings. Now in setting on left side, you will see all kind of settings in here. Just go to this privacy setting below security. Now in privacy setting, you have to scroll down until you found an option account deactivation. So here you will see the account deactivation. So if you have blocked anyone on your Roblox, you will see another option in here that will be that will be like blocked accounts. So you have to open that blocked account section and choose the account you want to remove from your block list. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for upcoming tips and tricks videos about Roblox. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.